Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here, I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Medium School, Day Shift. Dear students, now I am going to conduct an ICT class for the students of class 7, and it's your second class. And hope you will enjoy it. And today's topic is from your ICT books first chapter, lesson 2 and 3. Dear students, you also have a homework also. Dear students, here I have just summarized the lesson 2 and lesson 3 from chapter 1. Okay, so if you just have an overview on this board, then it would be very much easier to you what is written at the book. So, this lesson is about ICT, that means Information and Communication Technology in daily life. Dear students, that means what we usually do in our daily life for the sake or for the help of ICT. Okay? Then, let's try to read the lesson about Sagar in your book. Dear students, please take the book with you at the time of enjoying the class. So, in the book, you can see that enjoying music in computer. Dear students, in your book, you will see that Sagar was enjoying music in computer. That means we also can enjoy music through the help of computer, and it's also rendered by ICT. Then enjoying reading book by using ebook. Dear students, in this year, still now, many of you didn't get all the books, but we suggested that those who didn't get book yet will read or will continue the class by the help of ebook. That means in our country's ebook, which is NCTB ebook. I told or we told you to read that ebooks. This is called ebook. Then communicating with the whole world by using the computer networks sitting in room. Dear students, in the book you can see that Sagar staying or sitting in his room, he was communicating with the whole world by the help of his computer network. And we also can do so by staying at home or at home. We can communicate with the whole world by the help of this ICT. Students, this is all about lesson 2, and it's about ICT in personal life. Okay, I hope you all got understood it. Now let's come to lesson 3, Information and Communication Technology at workplace. Dear friends, in workplace, that means where we work, how ICT can help us. Let's know about that. Application for higher education. Dear students, you know that after completing the HSC, we need to apply for the higher education in different universities. But in our time, or in 90s or 80s, we need to go to that respective universities to apply for the admission. But nowadays, that means from 2009, we don't need to go to that university to apply for the higher education. Okay, that means by staying at home with the help of internet and or modem, or with also a device, we can apply for any universities by sitting at home. Okay, so Shahjalan University of Science and Technology started this process, that means started this admission process in 2009, and it was first in our country. Students, Business Week, a world famous magazine, which also expressed an article about paperless office in 1975. On that article, it was told that there would be some a kind of office where there would be no papers. Okay, But now we can see this process application. And the last one is EVM, that means electronic voting machine. Dear students, you know that even in our country nowadays the elections are done by EVM, electronic voting machine. Here there is no use of any paper. That means by the help of machine we can elect our leaders through EVM. Dear students, this is all about lesson 2 and 3 from chapter 1, and you have a homework, and it's homework number 2. Make 5 MCQ and you have to submit it in the next Saturday by coming to school and submit the homework. Dear students, this is the end of this class. I hope you all have enjoyed it and got understood everything. Enjoy it and read the book again and again, then it would be very much easier to you to evaluate what is written at the book. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.